Honorable Minister Sam Magusho Cheptoris yashaba abanya-Uganda okwejumbira mu kubyara emiti hamwe no kwehara okutahirira ebishara ebikuba bibashyikire hehi.
Appealing to all those people who are within the shores of lakes or the banks of rivers to be very careful and try to avoid those areas. We must respect environmental laws.
Ogu yayanangiriza abanya-Uganda bari kutura hehi n'enyanja hamwe nabo abatahirira ebishara okubirigamu kare batakabehiremu aha biragiro.
The law clearly states that there should be a buffer zone of about 100 meters from the shore of the lake. But our people don't respect our laws. Rivers, I think, should be about 50 meters. It should be 50 meters away from the banks of a river.
Umuringo nugwo gumwe yayongera yashobora uko umwebembezi w'ihanga His Excellency General Kaguta Museveni yahingwize ekiragiro ekirikwemereza aba investor hamwe n'abantu ba burijo okukombeka za factory ombeshara hamwe n'endijo myanya ey'obuhangwa bwensi.
His Excellency the President has written several letters to the effect that no new industrial parks should be set up in wetlands. He has made that very clear. He has written to me. He has pronounced it to everybody.
Ati nko kongera akihanangiriza abo bona abari gukorera emirimo yabo hehi n'enyanja okwirirayo abo ku bantu batekateka ngo enjura nyamwingi neza kongera kugwa.
Na Uganda bona abesenza mu ntobazi ne kumbarama z'enyanja abagambye muveyo ngo mujuzo gw'amazi guno tegunabajjayo sina kindi okwasa amateeka okujja kubatukako. So government etaddewo enkora okuraba nti ejja kuteekawo ensimbi ezigenda okuyamba mu kuddukirira ebyamataba ng'ensimbi zino zijja kujja nga gavumenti ezirwerizinze.
Okurigirira hari Dr. Akankwata Barire orukurira ekitongore ekikujunanizibwa kurinda obuhangwa bwensi ekya National Environmental Management Authority yashoborera ko ekitongore eki kyatwire abantu abarikurenga muri Ghana omukowutize by'amateeka kandi emishango erikwinganigana 13 yacwirwe kandi ekitongore eki kijahangwire.
113 cases in court just last year alone. 113 cases in court, and these cases are for all encroachers really. It doesn't differentiate how much you earn or how big you are.
Enshuminche yungwire ebicweka by'ihanga ebitari bimwe na bimwe ebiri mu district ya Kasese, Bundi Bujo, Rubanda hamwe n'ezindi oteriho n'agandi mahanga agatetorere goreka amakuru ag'abantu abarukufa bwanyuma y'enjura nyamwingi okugwa ekatahira amaka g'abantu. Amakuru aga gaca kwa Ronald Ngabirano wa Sky TV agenshonga muri Kampala.